Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back dito sa ating channel. At tayo ay nagbabalik upang magatid sa inyo ng isa na namang video patungkol dito kay Xland. So yan, sa mga nakaraang videos natin, more on ano tayo, mga tutorials. But for this video ay pakita ko sa inyo yung frequently asked questions dito sa kanilang website. So yan, nakikita ninyo, ito yung kanilang main website, yung xland.vip. And kung hindi nyo pa alam, pwede nyo ma-download dito yung app so that pag kayo ay magla-login sa inyong account, sa app na lang kayo mag-login guys. Wag na sa website kasi minsan yung sa browser may mga bugs. Okay, so para ma-download yung app pala dito, just click on this one, yung play the game. Yan, mada-download nyo yung app dyan. So anyways, proceed tayo dito sa FAQs ni Xland. So click natin yan, and click natin itong FAQ. Ayan. So meron tayong mangilan-ngilan dyan. Discuss natin guys, okay? So follow nyo lang ako. Una tayo dito sa pinakataas, what is Xland? So click lamang natin yan. It's an exploration-based GameFi on blockchain. So parang sumasabay sa mga nauuso ngayon guys na NFTs na nasa blockchain ha. Most of them ay you need to invest lang, then wait for the rewards. Yan. And let's see kasi under development pa rin naman yung laro, and wala pa talaga sa ngayon at this moment wala pa tayo nakikita yung actual na game, yung mga trainings pa lang, and yung voyaging time. So okay, next tayo dito tayo sa what is the background of Xland. So Xland received initial funding from Hong Kong Telecom PCCW and Thomson Group. Thomson Group is a renowned diversified investment company based in Thailand. Yan, so mostly this is from Asia. So nabanggit yan Hong Kong, nabanggit yung Thailand, and ito yung mga company Thomson Group. So kung narinig nyo na about sa kanila guys, much better. But anyways, proceed tayo. How to obtain trainee NFT. So dito kasi kay Xland meron agad kayong NFT makukuha. This is free NFT. Kaya ito yung wag nyong palagpasin. Kung nalipasan kayo kay Lock dito, wag nyong palagpasin guys. May libreng NFT. So new members receive it upon registration. Yan. So register na kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-register. Okay, next tayo. What are the differences and limitations of NFT characters? NFT characters have different rarity, attributes, abilities, and levels. Acquisition methods include tasks, sign-ins, and referrals. Reward times differ among roles, and holding quantity limits the NFT characters. So madami yung pagkakaiba ng mga characters. Most of them so hindi lang yung physical na appearance, pero ito yung rarity, yung attributes, abilities, and levels, and makikita natin yan doon sa mall. Kung mag-login kayo sa inyong account sa mall, sa NFT, pag in-upgrade natin yung ating mga characters, so iba-iba yan, yung basic na level, yung sa stars, and then yung rarity, meron pang combine na tinatawag. So of course, mas mataas yung rarity, mas malakas yung character. So anyways, proceed tayo. Next. What is XP? Ayan. So XP is an in-game currency. Players can purchase XP or earn it by completing daily tasks for NFT level up. So yung XP, isa yan sa mga in-game tokens dito. Ang nabasa ko dun sa dun sa white paper nila, it's Xland Partner. So short for Xland Partner, kaya XP. Ayan. So, pwede natin yan makuha dun sa trainings, voyaging time. And pwede rin itong magamit yung XP sa pag-upgrade ng inyong characters, lalo na sa stars level. But, yun, nabasa ko dun sa white paper, yung XP ay meron lamang guys 1 million na revolving supply. So, mababa yung supply, meaning, pwedeng mataas yung value nito. So, abangan natin in the coming days. Next tayo. What is GGP? So yan, GGP, Global Governance Points. Yan. It's a character upgrade score that can be obtained through various means such as receiving a portion of XC withdrawal fees and inviting users. By accumulating a certain amount of GGP, players can increase their character levels and unlock corresponding HP base values. So itong GGP, isa din to sa mga in-game tokens ni Xland. And ito yung primary na ginagamit sa pagpa-level up, yung basic na pagpa-level up sa ating mga characters. So mostly pag nag-sign up ka pala yung as a new member, makakakuha ka ng free GGP guys. Nasa 3,000 plus na GGP which you can use para ipa-level up yung libreng NFT na makukuha. Alright? Next tayo. What are the character qualities? Ayan, may character qualities guys. SR, SSR, UR, how do they level up? So, character qualities SR, SR, SSR, and UR represent different tiers. So, meron pa mga tier na dinatawag guys. To level up a character, NFT needs to reach certain level milestones. Each tier upgrade requires consuming same name NFTs for combination and increases the NFT's HP base value. Ayun, eto pala. Isa pa pala to sa way para tumaas yung HP ng character, which is very crucial and very essential sa pag-ipon ng rewards, lalong-lalo na dun sa training, kasi mas mataas na HP, mas maraming rewards na tokens yung makukuha natin. Yeah, the progression is as follows: S to N, R to S, SR to R, SSR to SR, and UR to SSR. Sa pagkakaintindi ko guys, ito yung time na once umabot sa level 50 yung character mo, kukuha ka ng dapat meron ka pang isang character na level 50, then i-combine mo para makapunta sa next tier. Okay? Yung iyong character. So from S magiging siyang R, and so on and so forth. Okay? So next, can NFTs with different qualities be upgraded? Ayan, the answer is no. Syempre naman, only same quality NFTs can be upgraded. Dapat magkaparehas. And last but not the least dito sa listahan, what are the NFT reward rules? Last expedition organizer on each island receives NFT reward. So ayun yan, yun na yung sinasabi natin na yung nakukuha sa voyaging time, yung training time, yung tokens, kasi na-earn lamang yun sa laro sa pamagitan nun. And looking forward tayo sa mga features pang ipapakita ni Xland this October. Okay? So yan, sa ngayon dito lang muna tayo guys. Hope na may natutunan kayo. And you can actually see this dito sa kanilang website na xland.vip. And napakaganda ng kanilang site. Ayan. Right? So, yan. Sa susunod ay update ulit tayo kung ano pa yung makita natin dito. Lalong-lalo na yung inaabangan na value ng mga tokens nila. So, yan. Abangan natin yan guys. Kaya subscribe kayo dito sa ating channel. And bigyan nyo na rin ng like. Okay. So, once again, thank you so much for watching guys. And I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.